Let's learn AWS. Today, I will show you how to run unit tests on your Node.js Lambdas with Mocha, Yarn, and Jest framework. I will be using Brackets editor for this task. You can use any of your favorite editors such as VS Code, IntelliJ, so on. Mocha is a feature-rich JavaScript test framework running on Node.js and in the browser. Run npm command to install it on your laptop. Create a sample test file as shown and test it with command line execution of Mocha. Our test passes and results are shown on screen. Let's take a closer look at the code used. Observe the use of the keywords require, describe, and it. Require.js is used to load libraries and other JavaScripts in a modular fashion. In our test, assert library was loaded into a variable called assert using require.js. The words describe and it originated from the Ruby testing library RSpec. Notion there is to write test cases that look like specification documents, that feels more like English language and less like code. Next, I will show you testing with few more frameworks such as Yarn and Jest. Install them with npm. It's not that difficult. We now create Lambda code to return JSON string with a greeting in English, Russian and other languages. Observe that we are not creating a simple JavaScript. Here you have special keywords called status code, body, event, so on. Next, let's look at our test case. When you ask for greeting in English, you get back hello. This is how you run yarn tests from command line. Type yarn space run space test. Positive test case is not that useful to explain testing frameworks. Screen shows a negative test case where hello world is expected, but we got hello in return. What do you think is easier, Mocha or Yarn? Reply in comments.